Little Numac low loader here, tandem axle. The mountable bale rack on the front, sprung drawbar, power handbrake, mini super singles on it, 300 by 90 brake shoes. It's the wider brake shoe in an 8 stud configuration. Bale wedge on the back, hydraulic ramps, LED lights all around. Lovely clean trailer. Very well finished now, to be fair. Built for a local customer. Should be ready to collect it maybe during the week. Another little Numac trailer here. This is a very specific build for a customer. 12-ton drop side, double hinge back door, so he can use the back door normally, or he can swing down the back door to use the aluminium ramps which are stored underneath, as you can see from here. 6-ton capacity pair, strobe lights on the back, LED lights. Customer wanted hockey grip tyres, so we were able to do that for him. The sides on the trailers are folded and put into a box, so it's very strong. 8 stud axles underneath it, hose axles, sprung drawbar again, breakaway system, little ladder here in the front, and little splash guard, I'd say you could call it, maybe here in the front. We have tie down points there, same at the far side, and there is 2 which you can't really see there in the back corner as well, to just pop up through the floor. So another trailer just finished, giving her that once over here now today. She's ready to go. Should be out for delivery early next week.